Hello everybody, thank you for tuning into this video. Today we wanted to share with you how to use an autoresponder such as ActiveCampaign, for example, what we're going to show in this video, how to turn your leads into clients by sending them weekly to monthly newsletters by using automations through an autoresponder like I said. So what we're looking at here is the blog that we have. We have a few different places where people can subscribe, so this one will bring them to a subscription. But I'm going to show you, for example, this one right here. We talk about, this is for sellers, and right here you'll see it says click here to get your free seller's guide. It's going to pop up and open to this page right here. We created this form on ActiveCampaign so that when we have our own blogs, when we have different sales pages, different blogs and things like that, we can create these forms and just insert them into our, we can integrate them into our blog pages. And so we have somebody put in their name and their email, and as they submit it, that goes automatically to ActiveCampaign, which we have right here. We have a few different lists as well that it sends them to. So for example, that will be the Turquoise Owl. Just kidding. It's the seller's homepage, because this is for the home selling guide. And so from this, we can create an automation, which you'll see a few of our automations right here. We can create an automation that's going to send them a direct email that has that seller's guide information in it. So for example, I'll open that up so you can see it. We're still in the process of setting this up. Down here, what we'll do is we'll end up coming and telling it to start an automation and add the contact to another automation that we have for different emails, like our newsletters that we decide to send. But it says, it gives us different action options. The action we chose was that the contact submits a form, because they submitted this form here. And then it'll run through this sequence. Oops, sorry. If it'll let me close it. Okay, it'll run through this sequence once, and then we'll add a different section down there for us to be able to send that out to them, and then keep them on our list so that we can continue to follow up with them and give them new information and new details every single week or month or however often you would like to send them. So this right here is just a very simple template of what we have that we are sending people who sign up for the home selling guide. It's a little introduction, a little brief introduction. And then this video right here is kind of an introduction video to Sherilyn and her services. And then this right here is a link that takes them to be able to download the PDF version of the home selling guide. It also gives them some social media information and making sure that they get their monthly emails about, whatever it is that we decide to do, and then just some contact information. But that is how you use ActiveCampaign as an automation. If you have any more questions, comment on this video, shoot us a message, let us know, because the more information we get out of you guys for what you would like to learn about, the more that we can actually teach and share more information about. So let's start a discussion and talk about what else we can do to work on our businesses and help build our businesses. All right, thanks for watching.